There are a lot of different ways to grow your contact list with Constant Contact. In this video tutorial, we'll go over some of these methods. Each method I go over will include a link to more detailed steps on how to use these features. To get started, click Audience Growth Center. Here on the Growth Center, you can see your new contact growth here as well as some essential tools for audience growth. Scrolling down the page a bit, you can see even more ways to grow your list. Turn followers into contacts using Lead Magnet, text to join so people can quickly opt in, and send ads to people likely to join your list. QR codes can be shared to your in-person customers that direct them to your landing page. And aside from that, there's countless apps to reach your entire audience, no matter what platform you use to manage them. Lastly, be sure to take advantage of social posts to reach new people. And that covers all of the different ways you can grow your contact list using the Growth Center from Constant Contact.